Hello Martians, I have been so obsessed with this style of wig lately, this kind of double stacked 60s moment, and I wanted to make one of my very own, but the issue with this style is that it requires two wigs, which can usually be a little heavy, one for the base and one that goes on top. But I wanted to cut out some of the weight, so I got to thinking, if I remove the frontal from one wig, attach it to a wig-making wig cap, and then sew a teased piece on top, I would be cutting out a lot of the weight. Instead of having two wigs, I would just have a frontal and a wig. So that's what you're watching right now. I'm currently powdering the frontal to make it look a little bit more like real hair. I found if you don't, it looks a little plasticky. As you can see right here, it's a little shiny, but this looks more like hair. Here's that wig cap I was telling you about. Absolutely gorgeous. Here I am sewing the frontal to that wig cap. Slick it back tight so it doesn't move. I left some curls out for the style. It's giving Arianka. And here's the piece I'm going to sew into it. I'm figuring out where I want to put it, and reveal right now. It's so cute, it's so light, and I'm officially a medical wig doctor. Thank you.